Hey there! We are going to be unboxing our new iPhone 13 in midnight color. The phone has a sleek, reflective surface and the screen has an enhanced durability with a ceramic shield front cover and has tempered glass on the front and back with aluminum on the sides. The phone's surface also tends to collect fingerprints. It is powered by the impressive A15 Bionic System on a chip processor. The processor is the component that processes code for the phone to work. The phone has a 3227 mAh battery and comes with a lightning cable. It also charges with MagSafe. It offers battery life lasting up to 19 hours of video playback, 15 hours of streaming online video, and 75 hours of audio playback. We are also unboxing a case from Spec for the iPhone. The case is called the Spec Presidio Perfect Clear iPhone 13 case. It can protect the iPhone from a 13 feet drop and is guaranteed by Spec to prevent discoloring with its anti-yellowing coating. It also has microban antibacterial protection. Now, comparing to the iPhone 12, the iPhone 13 has a newer and faster chip than the 12. Improved battery performance, a different improved camera layout with a smaller notch, a little brighter screen, but it is a little heavier than the 12. The black thing that is around the screen, called the bezel, is thinner. Also comparing to the iPhone 16, the 16 has a better screen, a better battery, better cameras, smaller bezels, a brighter and more durable screen, but has more weight than the 13, and has Apple Intelligence support. In my opinion, if you have the iPhone 13, you don't need to upgrade to the 16 for a couple of years unless you want the AI features. The iPhone 13 comes equipped with the familiar dual lens setup on the rear, featuring 2 megapixel lenses, a wide-angle lens and an ultra-wide lens. The front camera has one 12 megapixel lens. It also features very accurate Face ID for secure authentication. Enjoyed the video? Hit the like button, share with friends and family, and subscribe for more. Also, drop a comment with your thoughts on the iPhone. See you next time.